If you want to expand your business's professional network, then you need to create an effective LinkedIn business page. Once you've built and optimized your page, you'll be set up to improve your business's online presence and connect with potential clients or employees. In this video, I'll show you how to create a LinkedIn business page, and I'll share LinkedIn company page best practices and tips to help you show off your best self to potential customers and peers alike. Preparing to create your LinkedIn business page. Before we get started, it's essential to know that there are a few requirements that you need to meet to be able to create a LinkedIn business page. A personal profile with your real first and last name. Your profile must be at least 7 days old. The profile strength must be intermediate or all-star. Several LinkedIn connections on your profile, a company website and company email, no generic emails like gmail.com. Listed as a current employee of the company in the experience section of your LinkedIn profile. How to create a LinkedIn business page. Step 1. Add your company. Click the grid like for business icon on the top left of your LinkedIn page and select Create a Company Page at the bottom of the option. It will give you the option to select which type of company you are creating the page for. Select the option that best suits your business. Enter your official company name and add a URL that will allow your audience to find your business easily. Adding your website URL to give your customers direct access to your company site. Step 2. Enter your company details. You will need to provide your company details using drop-down menus that indicate your industry, company size, and company type. For example, public, nonprofit, educational, etc. Step 3. Add a logo and create a company description. Choose a company logo for your LinkedIn company page. This acts as your profile picture. As LinkedIn is a professional platform, your company logo usually takes its place here. Use a square logo size of 300 by 300 pixels. Add in a short and snappy tagline that informs readers what your business is about. This will appear at the top of your page by your company logo, so it is one of the first things people will read on the page. Finally, check the box indicating that you have the right to act on behalf of your company. Then click Create Page. Step 4. Create the company description. Once the skeleton of your page has been made, you can pad it out a bit more by clicking on the pencil icons on the right side of the page. Here you can add a description of your company and let your potential followers know more about your brand. Further down the overview page, you can add up to 20 company specialties. These are tags and keywords that help people to find your business on LinkedIn. You are given 2,000 characters for your company description, so think about how you can best convey what you do. The first 156 characters are especially important as they appear in the Google preview of your page. Step 5. Publish your page. Once you are happy with your description that you have written and the tags you've chosen, as well as filling out all the other sections in editing your page, click the Publish button and company page will go live. Don't forget that you can always update your page if you add new services or pivot your business model. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily convert your LinkedIn profile into a business account and start leveraging the full power of LinkedIn for your business. Not only does a LinkedIn business page help you build a professional online presence, but it also boosts credibility, attracts potential clients, and opens up opportunities for your networking and growth. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your LinkedIn and growing your business online. And if you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.